So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-update ng BDO Pay app. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And once you learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open muna natin ang ating Google Play Store. So para to sa mga Android user. And then pagka-open ng ating Google Play Store, pumunta lang tayo sa search bar. And then dito sa search bar guys, tap natin yung BDO. So piliin nyo guys, dito yung BDO Pay. So tap nyo yung BDO Pay. So kung hindi pa updated guys, yung inyong BDO Pay app, ganito yung nakalagay, update. Pero kung updated na yung inyong BDO Pay app, open na lang yung nakalagay dyan. So since nga hindi pa to updated, tap ko yung update. And wait ko lang siya guys hanggang sa matapos ma-install. So, ayan guys, after ma-install, ganito na yung lalabas. So, tap natin yung open para directly mapunta tayo sa pinakang application. And ayan guys, ilogin nyo lang yung inyong account dito sa BDO Pay and makikita nyo na yung mga bagong features and settings sa dinagdag ni BDO Pay. So, ayun lang guys, ganoon lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-update ng BDO Pay app. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for new updates. And thank you for watching!